Welcome to Hill Nissan, the Central Florida home of Nissan USA. Located in beautiful Winter Haven, every certified pre-owned vehicle has been given a 142-point quality insurance inspection, an 84-month or 100,000-mile warranty, and 24-hour roadside assistance. Family owned and operated for 33 years. Here's a vehicle that may be perfect for you. The 2011 Nissan Altima S with 59,016 miles. What are you going to love about your new car? Well, how about the price? Under $16,000. Or the cruise control, the power door locks, the power windows, and the keyless entry. And how about the nice extras like the keyless ignition, the traction control, the alloy wheels, and the CD player? This vehicle has been Nissan certified pre-owned with all the benefits of protection and peace of mind for you. Contact Bobby Ruiz at 863-287-0645. Hill Nissan, Central Florida's home of the lowest financing rates available. It's easy for you to get pre-qualified by calling our credit hotline number, 800-570-0080. Family owned and operated for 33 years. When others won't, Hill will.